Hello everyone, Modern Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with questions from the SSEE 2019 paper. So the question that we have seen on this paper, this particular question is pretty easy one. So we'll take a look at question number 55. We'll try and solve this. It's a basic trigonometry based question. So what we have is sine 30 plus cos 60. We need to find its value. So we know sine 30 is nothing but 1 by 2, which is equal to cos 60, which is again 1 by 2. Okay, because theta equal to cos sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta, that's the same rule. So what we have here, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that would give us simply 1. Option B. Pretty straightforward, nothing to go about at this much. So with that said, we've come to the end of the video. We have discussed subsequent questions in the subsequent video series of the same, wherein we've discussed almost all the questions of the con section as well. So please go to check those out. So with that said, I've come to the end of the video. Thank you so much.